In this video, we will show you how to create a new design. Actually, there are several ways to create a new design. First of all, you can use the respective option from the Welcome tab. Any new design opens with a blank canvas with the default fabric and hoop. Notice that you can change the default hoop and fabric from the Welcome tab. Select your machine and the hoop, and then select the fabric and its color. From now on, any new design will begin with the default hoop and fabric. Each design you create is loaded onto a new tab, and you can switch through the designs by clicking on each tab. You can also create a new design simply by clicking on the new icon on the standard toolbar. A third way to create a new design is by using the New option from the File menu. Finally, the shortcut keys Ctrl+N for Windows users or Command+N for Mac OS users is another way to create a new design. Now that you have a blank canvas, you can create a design from scratch using any of the designing tools. These tools and operations are described in separate videos. At this point, I'll show you how easy it is to import artwork from image files or embroidery files. You can easily import an old embroidery design, and you can also import any image artwork you like. You can even add ready-made parts from Clipart libraries. And just like that, by combining various sources of artwork, you have created a new design.